Hello guys, and today this is the spring crap, and I'm gonna back with my pepper. My roulette is working. My lovely world. Is that? Oh, come on. What is it doing? I don't know why this is thing glitching. I will back in my Minecraft Pocket Edition. My name is Dad. It's like a bastard dad, because you're the bastard dad, and just like neighbor, you can't just back it. Let's go. I hate that. He cannot work. That's no house of Mr. Pugs right the world. What the? Oh, wow. This is a pretty fast barbecue. Oh, there's the neighbor. Okay, the neighbor. Hello guys, there is the hello neighbor. The hello, I don't know. Let's go. Read this. This is the alpha version of the game. Tap continue. Not didn't call it working as suspected. Finally, oh my gosh. That's it. I did it. It's not a hello neighbor. Boom! What's that? I don't know why he said. What is this? In the stone. So loud that this thing is glitching. Wait. Get the block. Get it. Hit that button. Key. I get the key. Is that the oh. What's this? What is this? I don't know. That neighbor is coming here. They did it this thing. The 2-star baby. Oh yeah, take a baby from the dollar. They a dick you still got ball. But don't show down low yo. Tell the girl they got that me yo. Down low yo. Okay, I'm back. Please get it. Oh, that's a neighbor he said. Oh, that's a neighbor. I'm back guys, because I don't know why. Let's go get this kill. Get it. It's like Freddy Fazbear. Kill it. Kill. Back again. Oh my gosh! I break it! The door! I finished the level. Oh my gosh. Neighbor! I'm so scary. And about part 2. Bye guys. This part 2 is so scary. The neighbor killed me after I died. Boom.